this is guaranteed to trick, I reckon, more than 60% of the children in the mock exams. Days of the week have capitals, and that's because they're important, and they're also named after, I think, the Norse gods and some of the stars and moons and things. So Monday, Moon Day. Tuesday was after Norse god of fire, I think. Woden's Day, Thor's Day, Freya's Day. Saturn, why Saturn gets a mention and not Jupiter, I don't know. Saturday, and then Sunday after the sun. But all of these are important people, or gods, or planets, and the days of the week are important. They need a capital, just give it a capital. But yeah, get that through them again and again and again, and they just don't notice. And then when in the reports I wrote, missed a capital letter for a proper noun, and their parents are going, but you know this. And they do, but not for days of the week. But you do, so you won't make that mistake. See you soon.